Welcome to our channel, where we uncover the most mind-blowing advancements in technology. Today, we are diving into a world of cutting-edge innovation. Get ready to witness the coolest technology ever created. From futuristic gadgets to mind-bending scientific breakthroughs, this video will leave you in awe. Let's get started. Quantum computing and superintelligence. We kick off our journey with the mind-boggling realm of quantum computing. Quantum computers, with their mind-bending capabilities, are poised to revolutionize the way we process information. These powerful machines have the potential to solve complex problems in seconds, paving the way for advancements in cryptography, drug discovery, and climate modeling. But what if we take it a step further? Imagine a world where artificial superintelligence exists. Superintelligent AI has the ability to outperform human intellect in virtually every domain, opening up a world of endless possibilities and challenges. Augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR. Now, let's step into the immersive worlds of augmented and virtual reality. AR overlays digital information onto our physical surroundings, while VR transports us to entirely new realms. Exciting AR applications, such as gaming, education, and medical training, are shown. From gaming and education to medical training and design, these technologies redefine how we interact with digital content and shape our perception of reality. Robotics and automation. Next up, we venture into the realm of robotics and automation. Robots are becoming increasingly intelligent, versatile, and capable of handling complex tasks. Robots are working in various industries, such as manufacturing, healthcare, and exploration. From assembly lines to surgical procedures and even space exploration, robots are transforming industries and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Biotechnology and genetic engineering. Now, let's delve into the captivating world of biotechnology and genetic engineering. Scientists are harnessing the power of DNA to engineer living organisms and create groundbreaking solutions. From curing genetic diseases to developing sustainable biofuels, the possibilities of biotechnology are awe-inspiring. Space exploration and colonization. Finally, we set our sights on the final frontier, space exploration and colonization. Humans are pushing the boundaries of space travel, with plans to establish colonies on other planets. As we continue to explore the cosmos, the day when humans become a multiplanetary species draws closer, ushering in a new era of discovery and possibilities. And there you have it, a glimpse into the coolest technology ever created. We hope this video has sparked your imagination and left you excited about the future. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more captivating content. Remember, the world of technology is constantly evolving, so stay curious and keep embracing the wonders of our ever-advancing world. Until next time, take